Okay, folks, the trains are coming. There's the rainbow. This is video 2. Train coming through the pass. The old Georgetown Silver Plume Rail. I'm so excited, folks. I'm right here in the mountains. Okay, I gotta slow down. And there's Big Red, Colorado, Big Red. There's bighorn sheep up there, and here comes the train. It's gonna come right across that bridge. Okay, Hillbilly Zoom 101, come in. Hillbilly Zoom, come in. Hello, Hillbilly Zoom. Okay, let's get this right. Find the train. Come on, slow down. Breathe, woo-saw, woo-saw. There we go. Find the tracks. There it is. Okay, back up the tracks, Lois. Okay, there it is. See it coming through? Oh, it's going really, really slow. Okay, you see the raging river? Okay, raging river. Isn't that beautiful? The raging river, the beautiful Rocky Mountains. The rainbow's gone. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Hillbilly Zoom. It's coming through backwards or something. There's the people on the train. Right there. Here they come. Hillbilly Zoom 101. On your spot reporter. Is this shit rock? Huh? Okay, they're coming across the bridge through the raging Colorado River. Oh, yeah! Oh! I got so excited I lost it. Yeah! Hillbilly Zoom 101. The Georgetown Rail. Where's the steam engine? Where's the old motor? There it is. Hello down there! Is that not rock, folks? Is that not the stuff? I think it's going to go across that top bridge over there and then come back around. Oh my gosh. Folks, this is the stuff.